Electricity needs a path to travel along. It is called an electric circuit. The change in the arrangement of electric components in the circuit changes the output and its use. In the current chapter, we will study the different types of electric circuits. We will also learn how to draw and make circuits as well. Knowledge 9.1 Static electricity. Have you ever felt a little shock when you touched a doorknob? Do you know why this happened? It actually occurs because of the exchange of electric charges with the doorknob, which has something called static electricity. This special kind of electricity is due to electrostatic charges. To help us understand better, let's try the activity 1. It will show us how a material can have these electrostatic charges. Based on what you observed during the activity 1, let's discuss how electrostatic charges are created between objects. As you know, matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Each atom has positive and negatively charged particles. These charged particles should be equal in number. The presence of an imbalance or difference in charged particles on an object is known as static electricity. The interaction between these charged particles is shown in Figure 9.1. Static electricity in everyday life. The charged particles show the phenomenon of static electricity. Following are some examples of static electricity from daily life. 1. When you rub a balloon with a piece of wood, it increases the number of negatively charged particles on the surface of balloon, because electrons from the wood are shifted to the balloon. 2. When we walk on a carpet with bare feet, little things called electrons move onto our bodies. These electrons stay inside us and make our bodies a bit charged, like having a tiny bit of electricity inside. So, when we touch a metal door handle, some of these extra electrons from our body move to the metal door handle. This electron movement can give us a small electric shock, like a quick zap. 3. While spraying paint through a nozzle, particles of paint gain positive charge. By pressing the nozzle, the charge shifts to the nozzle. Now, all droplets of the paint have the same positive charge, which repel each other and form a cloud. The target object is negatively charged. So, paint particles having opposite charges stick firmly on the target body. 4. We observe a flash of lightning in the sky during rain. Tiny water molecules in clouds collide with each other and produce sparks that we see as lightning. Knowledge 9.2 Electric current and electric circuits. The flow of charged particles is called electric current. All the electrical appliances including bulbs, TV, computer, cell phone charging, or microwave ovens, everything requires plugging the switch into the switchboard. By the plugging switch, the path for the flow of electric current completes. This path is called an electric circuit. Electricity flows through the electric circuit. An electric circuit has many components. These components are arranged in a certain way. The arrangement of these components is shown in diagram 9.7, which is called a circuit diagram. In circuit diagrams, components of a circuit are represented by their symbols. Here is a list of circuit components and their symbols in the figure 9.6. The figure 9.7 makes you learn how to draw a circuit diagram, i.e., replace each component through its symbol. Skills 9.1 to 9.2. Draw and interpret simple circuit diagrams. Construct simple circuits. Knowledge 9.3 Types of electric circuits. Electric circuits can be classified into different categories. Here, we will discuss two of them, on the basis of completion of the path 2. On the basis of the arrangement of components. 9.3.1 On the basis of completion of the path. On the basis of the completion of the electric path, the electric circuits are of two types, open circuit. 2. Closed circuit.